Greetings. I am Tanish Tejaswi MS of class 11 along with my teammate Chiranth S of class 9. We are from Excel Public School, Mysore, and we are here to present our innovation, Dual Dispense.
The theme we have chosen for our project is health and well-being. With a focus on healthcare innovations, our project addresses a pressing issue, the need for a sustainable solution to dispense basic toiletries to people on the go. In particular, we have designed a dispensing machine aimed at providing single-use amounts of toiletries like shampoo, toothpaste and cleansing solutions in places where single-use packets are commonly used, such as hospitals, railway stations and bus stations.
We plan to
Our machine can help tackle the larger issue of plastics being disposed of every year only because of the usage of single-use toiletry packs. This is done by dispensing toiletries required for a single-use amount directly onto your brush or onto a small cap made of biodegradable materials or simply onto your palm whenever needed. Our machine uses an Arduino Uno microcontroller, a relay, single channel or dual channel, plastic pipes, containers, a numpad, a DC 5E water pump, an adapter, jumper wires, a 20x4 LCD, and an outer shell. Our machine provides single-use toiletries in a hygienic and sustainable manner. Our ultimate goal is to reduce a minimum of 20 million tons of plastic waste produced daily only due to the usage of single-use plastics. If 1 in 10 travelers and hospital visitors use this machine, we can avoid up to 2 million tons of plastic of being disposed from every day. We would like to thank our mentor for guiding us throughout the making of the project and our school for helping us make this happen.
We plan to install our dispensing machines in public railway stations, bus stands and in hospitals. Here people can access toiletry material that they may need for single use. This idea primarily targets travelers on overnight trains, devotees in need of early morning bathing necessities, and patients who unexpectedly have to stay overnight in hospitals without prior preparations.